Hi, I'm Deb.
And I'm Ro.
We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, and we invite you to join us for a tour of this amazing townhouse in Ashburn.
This is a meticulously maintained townhome with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, gleaming hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Come join us now.
Come on inside. Thank you for joining us for a tour of this amazing townhome in Belmont Land Bay, which is part of Belmont Country Club.
Don't let this incredible opportunity slip through your fingers. Contact us today so you can make this townhome your own. Thanks for watching.